presidency, and then another we have seen added commander in chief. Understood it? So, and the salaries will be given by the company. Yes. (1858) Charter Act, and it come after 1857 revolt. इसका मतलब है कि ईस्ट इंडियन कंपनी रूल हैज बीन फिनिश्ड. ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी रूल वाज फिनिश्ड इन 1858. बोर्ड ऑफ कंट्रोल फिनिश्ड, कोर्ट ऑफ डायरेक्टर फिनिश्ड, and what can? SOS. It come directly under the crown. There is no dual system. It means dual system is not existing. Yes or not? Ended the EIC rule in India, and British Crown took over the administration of India. Clear? So when the dual system, which is starting from the 1784, has been finished? 1858. Abolished CD, Court of Directors, Board of Control, vested in the powers in the Queen's Secretary of the State. और ये किसमें आ गया power? SOS, Secretary of the State. Understood? The two things are there. अब कोई दो ही चीज थे, SOS and then Governor General become Viceroy. Governor General become, लेकिन फिर भी लोग Governor General ही कहते थे. I said that Viceroy. They are the two. Clear? And then Minister in the British Cabinet, and then this Secretary of the State and the Ministry in the British Cabinet, and dual system was abolished. Understood it? पहले कौन कौन थे दो ruler? Company and British government. And company was ruling through Court of Directors, and then government was reading through the Board of Control. Now it has been finished. ये साफ दिखा रहा है कि when this CD and BC finished, and then it means automatically, and the crown came. इसका मतलब only one, and the dual system has been finished. SOS, Secretary of the State, has how many members? 15 appointed members, and they are assisting and empowered to superintend and direct and control the governments. And the last BC, President of BC was Charles Wood, and he is the first SOS. Last President of Board of Control, who was the Charles Wood, and he become the what? First Secretary of the State, Charles Wood. Clear? Charles Wood become the, yes, tell me, Secretary of the State, but इससे पहले वो क्या था? Last President of what? Board of Control. क्योंकि ये छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं, बच्चे पढ़ते हैं, कभी हिस्ट्री पढ़ते हैं, the Board of Control क्या है, Court of Director क्या है, these are the things they are never be able to make a clarity. SOS. अब SOS के पास सारा पावर है, every power is in the hand of SOS. Understood? तो सबसे पावरफुल पर्सन कौन दिख रहा है in the 1858 Government of India Act after that? SOS. Understood? और हम लोग इन्हीं के बारे में देखेंगे, SOS and Viceroy के बारे में. We'll see that. And SOS, it is in a same secret dispatches to India. Whether he will discuss with their members? Yes, it is not necessary to discuss with their members. If we are sending something to the Governor General or Viceroy of India, if he is sending something to what I said that Governor General, and tell me Viceroy of India, then it is not necessary to consult the council of 15 members and can constitute a special committee of his council. अपने, और he can also constitute one special council. Council का मतलब क्या होता है? Group of people. If he needs, I need some kind of special department to do better rule in India. Out of these 15 members, this 15 member will be the 15 members, but out of that 4 members, they have been also charged with the something else. Yes or not? He can also constitute special committees of his council. He can also make a special committee. Remember that? He can dispatch, he can send any message to the Governor General of India in case of requirement, but it is not necessary that it is concerned with council. But he can also make and constitute any council if it is needed out of his council. Understood it? Governor General, that is in a voice right now, and it is in a direct representative of the crown. He was the direct representative. आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? पहले Governor General was representative of, indirect representative, but direct representative of CD, Court of Director. Yes or not? लेकिन मैंने ये भी बताया था कि he was being appointed with the royal approval. तो indirect was. Earlier, Governor General was not a direct representative of this. Indirect. Understood? ये लोग बोलते थे कि हम लोग इनको अपॉइंट करना था, फिर वो क्या करते थे, आज भी हमारे प्रेसिडेंट बोलते हैं कि पीएम बोलते हैं ये चीज करना है, साइन कर दो. And then the British crown also comes. Okay, approval. I said that. समझ में आ गया? Now he is the direct representative, and he belongs to what I said, that he is the minister. SO is one of the minister in the what? British cabinet. Now Crown was empowered to appoint a Governor General and governors. समझ में आ गया? If he is a direct representative, there is no CD, then who will appoint Governor General? Who will appoint? Crown. Who will appoint? पहले कौन कर रहा था? Who is appointing? अरे स्टोरी सारी आपको पता है. Court of Director was doing. Governor General is appointed, repeated by, वो तो 1853 के बाद चेंज हुआ ना, लेकिन पूरा कौन कर रहा था? 1853 के बाद चांसेस नहीं मिला ज्यादा ना. कौन आ गया? एक ही को अपॉइंट, एक ही को बीसी ने अपॉइंट किया था. कौन है? लॉर्ड कैनिंग. बीसी को, उसको तो चांस कहाँ मिला? 1857 revolt has been taken place. Then I said that, what is it? Who was appointed Governor General earlier? CD. दूसरे की गलती क्या है? आप बोलो ना. I said that CD, and CD was on the approval of Crown, but who is appointing? Court of Director. और ये खत्म हुआ. अब कौन है? Direct representative. Who is? So who is appointing? Crown is appointing Governor General, and these are the minute details you should understand. Then creation of Indian civil services under the control of SOS. Understood it? Creation of Indian civil services under the control of Secretary of the State. पहले किसके कंट्रोल था? सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जाम को कौन रोकता था? कौन रखता था? Court of Directors. Now it will be now under the control of Secretary of the State. So I am giving a gap, and thereafter I will start with the. पहले 1861 दिखा देता हूँ. 1861. What is in the Government of India Act 1858? Simple, I said that. चलो आप लोग बोलो. CD is there. CD and BC has been finished, and then dual system has been finished. Understood? And then who came? Who came? Secretary of the State. Another who came? Why should I? Simple सी चीज है. बड़ी बड़ी चीज तो है ही नहीं ऑफिस में. And then who is appointing Governor General and Governor? Crown. फटाफट बोलना चाहिए. Who is appointing? Crown. Understood? छोटी छोटी चीजें उसमें भी. Now we are going to see like 1861. Indian Council Act 1861 empowered the Viceroy to make rules for more convenient transaction of business. How you can make the more convenient transaction of business? By the portfolio system. By how you can be able to rule better way. Assigning every authority, everyone that you do this, and then everyone has been responsible for that. Yes or not? The smooth functioning आज के डेट में हमारे यहाँ कितने डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं पता नहीं, बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स बना दिए जाते हैं, कुछ और नया भी बन गया. So there has been assigned portfolio. So I said that empowered the viceroy to make rules for the more convenient transaction of business by using the provision Lord Canning has transferred. Who is the last Governor General of India? And who is the first Viceroy of India? Lord Canning in 1856 to 62. कौन थे? Lord Canning. And by using the provision, Lord Canning has transferred the Viceroy of India's Executive Council into a cabinet run on. अब इनको कैबिनेट को अपने जो किसमें स्टार्ट कर दिया रन करना, पोर्टफोलियो सिस्टम, टू स्मूथ फंक्शनिंग फॉर इजी लेजिस्लेशन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड फाउंडेशन फॉर द फ्यूचर कैबिनेट फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इन इंडिया. अंडरस्टूड? द फ्यूचर दिखने लगा, पोर्टफोलियो सिस्टम इज स्टार्टेड कमिंग. A fifth member was added to the what? Viceroy's Executive Council. चलो, पहले कितने थे? 4. 3 के बाद क्या बना? Law member आ गया, Macaulay permanent, and another has been added. And this cabinet had 6 ordinary members who each took charge of in a separate department in Calcutta. The 6 member एक जोड़ दिया गया. कितने हो गए total? Yes, tell me. 1 plus 5. कब हुआ? 1861. When it has been happened? 1861. And then I said that cabinet had 6 ordinary, ये 6 अलग चीज है. Next I'm talking about 6 ordinary members who each took charge of separate department, means portfolio, home, revenue, military, law, finance, and the public was. And then 6th ordinary member is in another. It is in a 6th one is in a commander in chief to attend the EC meeting as an extraordinary member. So total कितने हो गए आपने देखा? 6 ordinary. And then 6 under the what? Governor General in the Executive Council. Understood? 1 plus 5. And 1 plus 5 में 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1. 1 means Governor General. And 3 means Governor General is Council earlier. And 1 become law member. Another become extraordinary member. Who? Commander in Chief. पहले Commander in Chief was not the exact power of what? गवर्नर जनरल काउंसिल. पहले कमांडर इन चीफ अभी मैंने दिखाया था. यस, याद है आपको? 1 प्लस आई सेड दैट 1 प्लस 4 प्लस 6 प्लस 1. जब हम लोगों ने पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम की बात कर रहे थे, दे स्टार्टेड कमिंग ऑफ इट. गवर्नर जनरल काउंसिल वाज enlarged by adding in 6 to 12 members for legislative purposes. तो धीरे धीरे आपको legislative purposes के लिए हमें चाहिए. यहाँ पर पर्पस दिख ही रहा है आपको. 6 to 12 members will legislate. These members would be nominated by the Viceroy for a term of 2 years, but not less than half of them would be non-official. What is the meaning of non-official? They cannot vote. Yes. यहाँ पे तो वोट का. Yes. Yes, private members. It is not the part of, I said that can be an Indian member, that can be a private member, and they cannot also vote. These are known as non-officials, and they are increasing more of non-officials. What is the benefit of more non-officials? Huh? Yes. What is the benefit of including more non-officials? Yes, more representation. लेकिन उनके पास पावर है बाबा जी का. पावर किसके पास रहेगा? Power will remain to the what? Governor General. So the official member में they are not converting into it. They are not converting into official member where they can have a vote right and then there is a power is there. But they remain non-official. It can be private member, it can be Indian member, it can be nominated member. Yes? But they are not the part of it. So always they talk about more than half of them would be non-official. इसका मतलब क्या है? But not less than half. इसका मतलब more than half would be non-officials. Understood? So there is these members would be nominated by the Viceroy for a term of 2 years. Understood? And they will be, more than half will be what? So इससे क्या होगा? Local representation will increase. हमें चाहिए चलो यहाँ से अभी हम देखना, the 4 representation have increased from 4 provinces. Yes or not? The local representation will increase, and then people can understand more to the society. लेकिन ये भी direct each and everything is not taking. I said that हमने क्या बोला? In this one, they try to, in 1861, they try to do what? Smooth functioning of their government, and by doing what is a portfolio system, and in there what is an executive council, it becomes 6 member now. By making the extraordinary member governor, what is a commander in chief, and 6 more member has been coming with the ordinary member with the different departments. Understood? And we have been able to see that there is legislative function में there is more person started coming into it, and then it is 6 to 12, and it has been there कि यदि 8 होंगे, 9 होंगे, 12 होंगे, whatever it is, more than half will be what? Non-official, and they will be only